Guys, welcome to my channel CloudML, and this is Akash. So I posted this question on my LinkedIn profile, and this is regarding the steps involved to remove the multi-collinearity from dataset. And as you can see, it's a very old post, like 1 day post. I was supposed to answer it yesterday, but due to some sudden plans, like I had to go on outing because of my birthday, so it was not planned, so I didn't know it has to be there, so I got delayed. So here I am after 1 day uploading the answer. So like many people already commented, and most of them are correct only. Still, I will give you a nice explanation with the help of an article I found on Analytics Vidya. uh, this is a nice article. I will send the link in the description. I will write it. So VIF, it's like variable inflation factor. So in interviews, like you will ask questions like, "What is VIF?" You will tell it's variable inflation factor. What is the purpose? Remove the multi-collinearity. Okay. And previous videos I have discussed why to remove multi-collinearity. So I won't discuss it now. But how to use it, like in our project, I will tell you. I will explain this example and I will tell you what we did in our project. So here you can see there is a data set which has around 4 5 features, maybe something, maybe target. Okay. And you can go through this article. It's a very nice article. I will give you the link. So I will just directly jump to the code. So this is a stat model thing. You can import it, and I don't know why I'm not to select. So this will help you. This VIF will help you give the VIF for each of your factor. So VIF is like, yeah, just come back to the formula r. You can see this r square. R square is like if a model. So what it will do, it will take each of the features one by one and see uh, whether it can be predicted by other features. So what it will do, it will kind of do a linear regression with suppose y years of service it will take as y and all other features as x. Second another step, it will take education level as y and all other features as x. Okay. There, so in actual data set you have this, everything is x, there is nothing y here. Okay, y may be something different, but we are checking inside this x what are the features which can be predicted from other features having some linear relationship, like uh, x3 equal to 2 times x2 plus 3 times x3, that kind of relationships. So we are trying to find those things. So just I will so when we so when our some particular feature is having a very, it's suppose very nicely predictable by some all other features, then what it will happen, r will be close to, r square will be close to 1, not exactly 1. So when it is close to 1, so 1 minus 1 0, like VIF will move towards infinity. Okay, but then that generally doesn't happen in real scenario, real data set. So you can see that VIF here as 13 and 10 for age. So now you will tell that remove all this 2. No, we should remove 1 which is the highest. Okay, and then again we should calculate the VIF. Okay, so this is what being done. They removed one feature, then they removed two features, age and salary. I don't know why, what it has to do with salary. Maybe salary is the why for this. Okay, so uh, you remove the salary part, ignore the salary part, and you just consider these two. Okay, so in the first case, this is yeah, age and salary is the y part. I understood. So these two are having high VIF. When you drop the age part, the VIF of years of service also got reduced automatically. So that's what happens. So sometimes in our project, what used to be the case, we used to give, like we have around 30 40 features. 10 of the features are having high VIF. So what we used to do, we used to remove the feature which is having highest VIF, then again run this calculating the VIF. So we used to do it iteratively. Remove one highest VIF feature, then look out for the other features. It may happen sometimes, like when you remove the highest VI features, suppose 10 features had VI more than 10. Generally, the threshold we take is 5. So, but when you removed one, suppose X2, it was having the highest VIF and all other VIFs got reduced. This may also happen. So, one by one, you need to remove the features, not at all, at one time you have to remove all the features which are having high VIF. Okay, I hope things are clear. Uh, and it will become much more clear if you go through this blog. It's very wonderful. I'll give you the link. Yeah, and, that's it for today. You can drop your doubts if any points is not clear. Yeah, thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.